It's time for PIcade comparison against the 10-inch upgraded version. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today, guys, we are going to talk about the PIcade once again. I already did a review about the 8-inch and 10-inch, so if you want to have let's say an extended video about a little bit of a building and testing out on what you're going to get, check the description and also where you can buy it, of course. But before you go, let's do a little bit of a side-by-side comparison. So if you take a close look at the 8-inch edition, but compared with the 10-inch edition, there is serious no big difference. So I was thinking maybe there is a little bit of difference between the joysticks, but I can tell you, they respond both very nice and they exactly the same. And the same goes for the buttons. So if you look at the control panel, there is no difference here. So if you take a close look at the inside, it's almost the same. Alright, this one has a 10-inch screen and this one has the 8-inch version. Of course, they're going to be assembled in a different way. We're having here this PCB board that is different if you compare it with the two LCD screen or the two PIcades. And of course, the rest of all of the cabinet is the same. So including the speaker, this PCB board that controls the buttons. And if you take a closer look at the side, the same. It's exactly the same. They are using the same panels for the 8 and the 10-inch edition. So if you look at the PIcades, yeah man, they're exactly the same. If you look beside the LCD screen. I don't know what do you think of this. I totally don't have any problem with the 8-inch version, but if you look at the 8-inch version, I really like the colors of the 10-inch. Keep in mind, both of the systems, I have 100% brightness.
Now! Engage.
So for the final conclusion between the two PIcades, the biggest and the only difference I can find is the screen itself. I must say the 10-inch, I really like it. It's a beautiful screen. The 8-inch is also very nice because I really love that bezel around it. It gives more like that arcade feeling. So yeah, let me know what you prefer. If you want to buy it, leave a link in the description. But keep in mind, these things are not cheap. But what you're going to get is quality stuff because the joystick, the buttons, I really like it. So this is what you're going to get, not a big difference. I think it's a little bit bummer that they only swapped out this 10-inch screen. I was hoping that they made the case a little bit bigger. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell. And if you're into gaming, check out your gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye. Select and make it burst quick. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.